Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in floating window. And then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner to access your app in the background. Finally, click on this icon of an app at the top left corner. Start a mouse click and choose Float Window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the bottom and drag it. To use it in full screen view, click on the bottom left corner. And to close it completely, click at the bottom right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!